Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Sorry for the shaking, but I'm here today to share my day one of what I am sending for my Secret Santa crafty friend. And so I already bagged stuff up and I forgot that I needed to film, and I was like, oh man. So some of the stuff I will open if I can, some of it I'm not going to. This is some of the stuff I can. So day one, I am sending her some of these sticker die cuts. I'm only gonna, oh here. So some of these sticker die cuts in gold and silver. They're snowflakes. So I'm gonna send that. As well as I have a little container of resin flatback flowers and beads in an assortment. And then I also am including just some of these embellishments that are ready to go. She can add on to anything. Oops. But yeah. So this is the first day, day one. Hope she likes her gift. And I hope you guys follow along for the rest of the 24 days of Secret Santa. Seen earlier, I posted what I received from my Secret Santa. So this is fun, yeah? Follow along. Like and subscribe, please. And until my next video, Shakas. See you on day two.